Stell receives blessings left and right matapos ginawang bunot ng mga bashers sa taong ito. "2024 is a trying year for Stell na talaga namang naging bunot ng mga bashers. It was really hard and painful to see people attack someone na wala namang ginagawang masama o kahit na ano para matrigger sila. And yet, Stell remained silent in the midst of this attack. Nagsasalita lamang ito para i-remind ang mga fans kapag sumusobra na sa pagdi-defend sa kanya. But God really has a way of turning the tables around. Stell has been blessed left and right, not only with the group's achievements and milestones, but more so as him, the solo artist. Una, his performance with Sir David Foster that got the attention of people all around the world. He was also the only Filipino invited in the Wicked premiere in Australia. Not only that, his Defying Gravity performance went viral with 7.6 million views and amazed local and international casuals. Then his It's Showtime guesting that got positive feedback from the casuals that many are now requesting for him to be a regular host. Plus, the Vice Ganda vlog where more people are now discovering his wit and humor. Nakakasabay talaga siya kay Vice Ganda kaya mas marami ang humahanga sa kanya ngayon, hindi lang sa kanyang talento, kundi maging sa kanyang talino at personality. From hates to now more appreciation and admiration from casuals, he is definitely receiving the good karma that he deserves.